Lisa Su is a Taiwan-born American business executive and electrical engineer who is the chief executive officer and president of Advanced Micro Devices. Early in her career, Su worked at Texas Instruments, IBM, and Freescale Semiconductor in engineering and management positions. She is known for her work developing silicon-on-insulator semiconductor manufacturing technologies and more efficient semiconductor chips during her time as vice president of IBM's Semiconductor Research and Development Center. Su was appointed president and CEO of AMD in October 2014 after joining the company in 2012 and holding roles such as senior vice president of AMD's global business units and chief operating officer. She currently serves on the boards of Analog Devices, Global Semiconductor Alliance and the U.S. Semiconductor Industry Association, and is a fellow of the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers. Recognized with a number of awards and accolades, she was named Executive of the Year by EE Times in 2014 and one of the world's greatest leaders in 2017 by Fortune. Lisa Tzu Fang Su was born in Taiwan in the coastal city of Tainan in November of 1969 to Taiwanese parents Chun Hui Su and Sandy Lo and immigrated to the United States around the age of 3. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.